guys. I just got off Zoom with one of our members about a coaching package, and there was something we talked about that I want to share with the whole group. I said, I feel like lately I'm using the word level 10 a lot, way more than I have in the past. But every time I use it, it turns out to be correct. And one of the things he said, is it ever easy? So the answer is yes. This is definitely a hard trading environment. We went 450 points up and 450 points down, and sprinkled throughout those days were easy days. Now, there was a time, probably a little over a year ago, to be honest, where every day was easy. Like, I used to post 100-point days all the time when they're easy. And so, yes, there are easy days, but right now there's an awful lot of uncertainty in our world. Uncertainty about our own leaders, uncertainty about our borders, uncertainty about World War III. Uncertainty is through the roof. Not to mention, this particular week has two of the biggest news events that we have. So the uncertainty is even higher. The reason why I alert you to level 10 days is I want you to not trade them. Because when the day is easy, you're going to make points so easy. And if we can avoid the level 10 days, you're not using the easy day to get caught back up. Okay? You're using the easy day to really leap ahead. I don't want you using the easy days to get back to even. So what you have to do is identify the hard days. One of those measurements that we've actually experienced the last 2 weeks a lot are these 8-point candles. It is the early warning system for our group. I see one 8-point candle and you go, okay, it happens. 2, I'm already thinking I need to be done trading. 2 in a row, like today, I'm out. I am out. So I want us to eliminate the D and C level trades. Those seem to occur mostly, number one, when a trader's tired. So you don't want to be over trading in time, because it will make you tired and you will loosen your restrictions for entry and exit. You'll stop drawing your levels. You'll just think you know what's going on. So tiredness is really key. Should I be trading? The should I be trading continues with red folder events, knowing what the big news events of the week are, but time in the seat of knowing, okay, on the week of FOMC and non-farm payroll, Monday is usually the best day to trade, and then every day after that is worse, all the way to where you probably should not be trading at Tuesday from New York lunch all the way to Friday. And I'm not kidding. But if you do, you need to deleverage. How can you deleverage? Well, let's go to the lowest deleverage of all. 0 trades at all. The next deleverage above that is you paper trade, like literally bring out a piece of paper and say long 41.90, which is where price is right here. Okay. The next way you could leverage, the next step up, just use the paper trading portion of TradingView. Okay. The next one is paper trade with your actual broker. The problem with that is now your broker's up. It's easy to go from paper trading to your broker to actually trading your money. That's why I recommend TradingView first. Then you could say, you know what, I'm not going to trade any of my funded accounts. I'm just going to trade an eval account. Like this week, I bought a 90% off Apex eval account just to trade this Tuesday through Friday. I could care less if I blow it. I could care less, whatever. To me, the $18 is worth just having a play account that I'm going to trade. It doesn't matter. That's my deleverage. I am not trading my funded accounts this week. I did yesterday, Monday. That's usually the easy trading day. But for the rest of the week, no thank you. Am I going to be trading all day this week? Heck no. Not even with a junk account. Not even with paper trading. Now, am I going to probably watch it? Yeah. And why? Because I want to have more butt time. Okay. So there are easy days, and there's weeks where it was easy every day. There's been months where it was easy 90% of the time. So the first thing I want us to do is get rid of the D and C level trades by knowing when not to trade. And I'm going to tell you, as a new trader, it is so freaking hard to turn off the computer and walk away. And some of you actually have to turn off your computer and walk away.
Should I be trading?
You just heard my alert. Go off, should I be trading? That goes off many times a day because it's a reminder, and absolutely not. It's New York lunch right now. But you know what? I still have it go off in case I'm being dumb and I'm sitting here. I don't even want to watch price action during New York lunch. Like literally, I'm taking a brain break. Why? Because I still want to trade. Let's just consider this as a normal week. I want to trade Thursday and Friday. I need to be alert. My brain needs to be strong. I don't need to be tired because I watched New York lunch Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, I need a brain break. I need my eyes away from the chart. Okay? And the best way to refresh yourself from mental work, and this is really key. I'm about to tell you something that is so true. When you're working with your mind, the break that you have to take is working with your hands. Doing something physical with your body. And if you're a laborer, the best way to rest is with your mind. Reading, drawing, musical instruments, whatever. But we use our brains here. And the best way to take a break is to get your mind off the chart and get your body moving. Whether that's working out, whether that's getting into woodworking, whether that's working in the yard, reorganizing the garage, something. Because that way, when you're on the chart, you are max 10 alert. And I'm very focused on that for me personally, that when I'm setting down trading, should I be trading? Is my brain at full capacity? Do I understand where I'm at? Do I understand the news events that are unfolding today? Do I understand how the news events that are going to come out the next few days is impacting today? Because I don't want to take the D and C level trades, and I don't want a day that I shouldn't be trading to hurt me, so that when I have that easy day, I'm playing catch up. I want that easy day to propel me to where my typical goal is 10 to 50 points. On the easy days, I make between 50 and 100. Those are the days I want to trade. Those are the days I want to save myself for. Don't trade all day Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and they were sucky, horrible days with 8-point candles all over the place. You're now exhausted, and Thursday happens to be the easy day, but you're not on your game. Now Thursday, you're trying to make up for what you did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wow, you're exhausted. Save yourself for the good trading. Save your account for the good trading. Save your mind for the good trading. I do not want to sit here and trade all day. I want to come in here, be on my chart an hour and a half before the market opens and trade the first hour and a half of trading, and I'm done. 3 hours, done, killed, slayed. All right, that's what I wanted to share.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.